I finally have a viral short and I want to expose how much my short video actually paid me. So this particular short video has gotten 21.5k view, but at the end of this video I'm also going to be reviewing to you guys how much my student made from her short videos in just 3 days. I said it in the last video that I uploaded that I am going to do update and share with you guys how much she made in just 3 days uploading short on YouTube. So if you're still snoozing, you are on your own. But anyways, let me share with you guys first my first ever viral short video on this particular channel, because yes, I've had shorts that have more than this view. I've got a short of 50 something thousand views now, if not 60,000 self, right? So I'm not going to say this is my most viral short video, but on this particular channel where I started taking shorts seriously, this is one of my most viral video, right? So let's go ahead. Let me share with you first before we say anything we want to say. So anyways, this is the video I did about so you don't have brain, that particular shot that that did also you don't have brain, right? I know a lot of you guys have seen it on the Life of Vibrationia channel, right? So this shot has 21.5k view, okay, and the audience retention for this short is 0.16 seconds. And if you check where the traffic are coming from, the traffic is coming from sound page, browse futures, short feed, YouTube, and then direct or unknown. So let's check the reach of the shorts. So for the reach of this short, we have external and every other thing. Oh, this is the same thing now. These are just videos that's suggesting it, so let us leave that one. Let's go to the engagement. We have 7.4k engaged views, and that is the difference between shorts. So in this 21,000 views, the only views that YouTube is paying me for out of 21,000 views of short is 7.4k, because this is tagged as the engaged views and they only pay you for the engaged views. Now you can see how viewers actually found this channel, as you guys can see here, right? And if you check the down here, you can see dislike versus dislike. You can see that I went from up down or down up, whatever. Let's go to the audience of this shot that is watching, of people that are watching this shot. Now for the audience, you can see for new viewers 93%, casual 5.5, and regular 1.5. And then if you click up as well, these are just my video suggesting, right? Now you can see the device type, and then you can see the age category 18 to 24, 25. The good part I love about this short is that you have more age people, like more varieties of different age watching, and then gender. And then look at the people that are watching these shorts more. United States, United Kingdom, two important countries, South Africa, Nigeria, and Kenya. My own country is even number 4, right? So these are things that also affect what you're earning on shorts, right? Now let's go to the revenue. For the revenue of this short, you guys can see that out of 21,000 views, this short earned me just $1.16. $1.16. 21,000 view, 7.4k view was engaged views, while out of the 7.4k view, because of the countries watching it, I got $1.16. How I make my money, and you guys can see the short performance. Every 1k view, I get to make $0.16. That is how poor short is. But now my own student, I'm going to be attaching a screenshot here, our WhatsApp chat screenshot, so that you guys can see. We monetized her channel, and you guys know that it takes like 48 to even 72 hours for YouTube to start accumulating and showing revenue. And in her first 24 hours that YouTube just released her revenue, she had $29 on shorts. Then within the next 3 days, she made $50. This was her chats that we had together, because I have to ask her. The question that even brought us to start elaborating her revenue was, immediately I monetized that, I have to tell her that you have to wait for your money to get to $10 so that we can do the verification. And I was surprised. She was like $10. I already have $29. Before I know, in 3 days time, she already made $50. Do you get? And this is her channel, so that you can also go and confirm her shots, how she do her shot and every other stuff. So what am I trying to say in essence? It simply means that if you leverage your attention in a particular thing, you are definitely going to achieve it. I can tell you for a whole fact that the money I made on YouTube last month from Life of Vibe with Sonia, if you guys noticed very well, I've been uploading shorts more there. It's literally coming from short videos, not even my long form videos. Do you get? So 70% of the money I earned on Life of Vibe with Sonia last month was directly coming from shorts. So it is just only 30% that is coming from my long form videos. That is why if you check most recently, now you notice that I am more serious with shorts there than putting out long form videos. So it simply means that your short videos can earn you money. Don't just look at the $1 that you saw there and be like, ah, is it just you? If you have multiple shorts going viral at the same time, in fact, your money go dey land, dey drop for your account. As e dey clear, na so e dey be. So why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video to encourage you, not to discourage you that short doesn't pay, or short will destroy your channel, or short will not earn you good money on YouTube. There are white people too that if you check their channel, they leverage just on short videos. Do you get? So you can leverage on short videos and still make your money. So what I will advise you is look out for what is working for you and work with it. If short video is what is working for you, fine. If long video is what is working for you, fine. That is why on Vibe with Sonia channel, I cannot just come here and start pulling out plenty shots. I can do maybe 1, 2, or 3, or at most 5 in a day. But to say I will come and start pulling out shot back to back, no. But on Life of Vibe with Sonia, I do that. Do you get? So try your possible best to see what works for you, and do not look down on any single revenue that YouTube actually want to bring for you. It is Monday morning, and if you've not started creating content, you're wrong. If you've not started filming, you're wrong. If you've not started uploading, you are wrong. Go and start doing your upload. Even if it's 2 views, 3 views, 5 views, the good part is YouTube pays for those views. And that is one beautiful part I love about YouTube. Try your possible best, get your channel monetized, and thank me later. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, guys, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying back, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please, when you go to this, my student channel, which is the ladies channel that I actually attach, right? Make sure you subscribe to her channel. And then if you want to leverage on short, recreate her short, and trust me, you will not regret it. Bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah.